Hello, Kim. I hope this message finds you well. I am recording this video introduction as requested. My name is Emilio Vargas and I reside in Central Bicutan, Taguig City, Philippines. In the year 80s, there was a significant need for tailoring position. I started my career in the garment industry in Manila. Our focus was on providing made-to-order clothing for our clients, an offering that was particularly sought after during that era. In the years of the 90s, a new fashion trend emerged with the introduction of ready-made clothing. The rise in the popularity of ready-made to wear clothing experienced a substantial increase. More individuals shifted toward this convenient and easily accessible choice. Eventually, manufacturing company was founded to produce a wide range of ready-made clothes to meet the growing demand. Due to the heightened market competition, the demand to made-to-order clothing in Manila decreases in tailoring services. As a result, numerous factories were established to produce ready-to-wear clothing in the area. After noticing a decline in demands of tailoring services, I shifted my focus on pattern making. Afterwards, I obtained a role at a garment company as pattern maker, signifying the start of my career in the garment production. Thank you.